Everyone's selling on TikTok, but no one's talking about the method that pays the most. It's a proven system that we use to generate millions across other platforms, and now we've tailored it specifically for TikTok's algorithm and buying behavior. Not only does this strategy make you the most money, it's also the fastest way that you can earn a passive income in 2025. So, what's this proven strategy that I'm talking about? It's called the revenue flywheel, and it's the same system that has helped students go from zero to thousands in just weeks. In this video, I'm gonna break it down for you, step by step. But I'm also gonna give you 6 other monetization methods ranked by the criteria that matters most, so you can pick the one that fits your starting point. And just so you know, only 3 of them have real millionaire potential. At the end, I'll even give you a 90-day implementation plan so you're not guessing what to do next. But fair warning, if you skip ahead, it won't hit the same. This plan only works because of everything I'm about to show you. So trust the process, and by the time that we get there, you'll know exactly why it works and how to make it work for you. Because if I was just starting out, this video would have changed everything. Now, over the past few years, I made over $10 million with e-commerce, helped thousands of students build profitable online businesses, with many crossing 6 figures, and even a couple who just scaled past 7. So before we start, let me break down how much you need to make per day in order to reach the $1 million mark in a year. You would need to make $83,333 per month, which is $2,739 per day. Mark this number down, since it's gonna be your guiding post throughout this video. At first, that might sound like a large number, but once you understand the fundamentals, it becomes way more achievable than you think. With that being said, let's talk about the main criteria I'm using to judge each way to make money on TikTok. I'll walk you through the 6 criteria that matter most, starting with 2 game changers, then backing them up with 4 that protect your long-term success. Criteria number 1 is speed to first dollar. How quickly can you actually make your first sale? Some methods can get you paid the same day, while others might take weeks or months. Criteria number 2 is barrier to entry. How easy is it to start without experience, a big budget, or technical skills? The lower the barrier, the faster that you can get going. And the other 4 are scalability, automation potential, ownership, and long-term opportunities. So now that you know what these options are measured by, let's dive into the opportunities that are out there. We'll start with the slower, budget-friendly methods, the ones that you can launch with your phone and just some consistency. These are gonna be perfect for you if you're cash light, but time rich. Coming in at number 7 is the foundational organic strategy, which is where most people start. This ultimately means creating content with 0 audience and building presence through daily posts. Now, this one is less like a money-making method and more like a foundation for all the other strategies I'll be covering today. But the reason I'm bringing it out is because this is a foolproof place to start if you can't figure out what to do at first. You can comfortably get started with this one and then have the ability to quickly branch out in the future. So here's how it works. You simply create and post TikTok content focused on a specific niche. You then build enough of your audience to monetize through other methods later. Think of it as planting seeds that will grow over time. This has the slowest speed to the first dollar at around 30 to 90 days, but the barrier to entry is very low since you just need a phone. Scalability is limited initially. There's no automation, and ownership is limited through your content, though it provides a solid foundation for other methods. The daily potential is $0 to $50 to start, with a monthly potential of $0 to $1,500. Meaning that it would take 3+ years to hit $1 million. And here's the truth. You're basically yelling in an empty room at first. So if this is your only option, focus on a specific niche and post daily, but do not expect revenue in week 1. I remember when I started out, I was completely clueless about what I was doing, and I damn sure wasn't making any money. But I later learned that it doesn't matter how great the opportunity is at first. What matters is that you get started and you learn as you go. Had I never got started with building a presence in the beginning, I would have never been able to generate the revenue that I have from TikTok. So yes, this method is a little slow, but it lays the foundation for the ones that actually make you rich. And if you're ready to level up from just building presence to actually getting paid for your content, this next method unlocks that door. At number 6, we have view-based monetization through the TikTok Creativity Program, which kicks in once you hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 views per month. Once you qualify, TikTok pays you directly based off your video performance. You'll need to create videos that are at least 1 minute long to qualify, focusing on high engagement and watch time to maximize earnings. This has a slow speed to first dollar at 60 to 120 days, with a medium barrier to entry since you need to meet those follower and viewer requirements. Scalability is decent for passive income. Automation is high once content is created, but ownership remains limited to your content. But it does provide the opportunity for consistent passive income. The daily potential ranges from $10 to $200, with a monthly potential of $300 to $6,000. Meaning that it would take 2 to 3 years to reach $1 million. But the key here is creating 1 minute plus videos that get high engagement. Top creators in this program are earning up to $17 per 1,000 views, which adds up fast with viral content. So imagine what happens when just one of your videos hits 1 million views. I've been in the online space for 6 years, and honestly, if this method worked as well back then as it does now, I probably would have hit my first major success way sooner. So again, just make sure you get started and learn as you go, because these two methods will get you to the next ones a lot faster. I can guarantee you that. Now let's talk about the next method to making your first million on TikTok. This one gives you direct ways to earn cash while connecting with your audience in real time. Coming in at number 5 is TikTok live monetization. This one unlocks once you hit 1,000 followers, opening up monetization through gifts and tips. So here's how it works. You go live on TikTok and your viewers can send you virtual gifts that convert to real money. The more engaging your stream, the more gifts that you'll receive. This has a moderate speed to first dollar at 7 to 30 days to hit 1,000 followers, with a low to medium barrier to entry. Scalability is also good with a consistent audience, though there's no automation since it does require active involvement. Ownership is also limited to your content, but it does build a loyal audience. The daily potential is $50 to $500 with a monthly potential of $1,500 to $15,000, meaning that it would take 1.5 to 2 years to hit $1 million. Live streams consistently drive higher engagement than regular posts, so ask yourself this. Could you commit to going live a few times each week to build this income stream? Now, once you've got some content under your belt and maybe even a small following going, the next method takes things a step further. You're not just going live or building presence. You're now turning your content into a commission engine with TikTok Shop Affiliate. This method requires 5,000 followers, but lets you earn commissions promoting other sellers' products without handling inventory. You basically create videos showcasing products available on TikTok Shop, add your affiliate link, and earn a percentage of every sale made through your content. The best part is that you don't need to buy inventory, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. This has a moderate to fast speed to first dollar, as you can earn within a week with a good video. The barrier to entry is medium since you need those 5,000 followers. Scalability is very good. Automation is good once videos are created, but you have no ownership of products, just your content. Although it serves as a stepping stone to own products, the daily potential ranges from $100 to $1,000, with a monthly potential of $3,000 to $30,000, meaning that it would take 12 to 18 months to reach your first $1 million. Commissions typically range from 15 to 30% per sale. The best part is that many sellers will provide free product samples so you can create content without any upfront investment. So just think, what products are you already passionate about that you could start promoting today? That's a great place to start. Every method up to this point has been the warm-up, the foundation. But now we're entering into the high-stakes zone. These next 3 methods, they're in a completely different class. This is where the real money's made. The strategies that have actually built multi-million-dollar businesses in under 12 months. So if you're serious about changing your life fast, this is where things get real. Now, if you made it this far into the video, you're not just scrolling YouTube hoping to get lucky. You're someone who's serious about building real freedom and actually doing the work to change your situation. So here's what I want you to do. Comment the word 1 mil down below and tell me why you want to build your own business. Is it to take care of your family, quit your job, travel the world? I want to hear it. And I'll be choosing one person from the comment section to get a free one-on-one consulting call with myself and my team so we can help you start strong. All right, let's get into the scalable methods that can actually take you to $1 million quickly. This is where the winners separate themselves. These next strategies do require some upfront investment, but the payoff is on a whole different level. And leading the charge at number 3 is the own product model through TikTok Shop, where you can stop earning scraps as an affiliate and start keeping 100% of the profits by selling your own products directly. You essentially source products, list them on your TikTok Shop, create content showcasing them, and keep 100% of the profits instead of just commissions. Have you ever wondered how some TikTok creators seem to be making money while they sleep? Well, now you know. This has a fast speed to first dollar, as you can make sales on day 1, with a medium barrier to entry since you do need product sourcing knowledge. Scalability though is through the roof. Automation is very good with proper systems, and ownership is high since you own the product listing and the customer data. Plus, it can build into a full brand. So the daily potential ranges from $200 to $3,000, with a monthly potential of $6,000 to $90,000, meaning that it would take 9 to 12 months to hit your first mil. TikTok Shop is currently pushing product videos algorithmically, meaning that you don't need a large following to get views and sales. With the right product and content, you can get your first sale the same day that you post. The huge advantage here is that you own the product listing, and you get 100% of the profit instead of just a commission. Plus, you can recruit affiliates to promote your products while you keep most of the profit. Think about it. Would you rather keep 30% as an affiliate or 70% as the product owner? Now, owning your product is a major level up, but what if you didn't just post about it? What if you could sell it live, answer questions on the spot, and close a sale right then and there? That's where things start to scale, and scale extremely fast. Coming in at number 2 is the live conversion engine, a method that fuses TikTok Shop with live streaming to skyrocket your conversion rates. How it works is simple. All you do is go live on TikTok while showcasing products available in your TikTok Shop. Viewers can ask questions, see demonstrations in real time, and purchase instantly through the app. It's like having your own review channel right on TikTok. This has a fast speed to first dollar with same day potential, though the barrier to entry is medium since you do need to have at least 5,000 followers. Scalability is excellent, but automation is low since it does require active participation, while ownership is high if you are selling your own products. And on top of that, it builds your brand and your audience simultaneously. The daily potential ranges from $500 to $5,000, with a monthly potential of $15,000 to $150,000, meaning that it would take 6 to 9 months to reach your first $1 million. Live streams convert at 10 to 20% compared to just 1 to 3% with traditional e-commerce. When viewers can see products demonstrated and get questions answered in real time, they're much more likely to buy. The key is having a high converting script and demonstration strategy. Show the product, explain the benefits, address objections, and create urgency with limited time offers. Now, going live is powerful. You get instant trust, real-time conversions, and serious momentum. But what if you could take all of that momentum and put it on autopilot? What if you could turn your best performing content into a 24/7 sales machine that works while you sleep? Because that's exactly what this next strategy does. At number 1, we have the revenue flywheel, the fastest and most scalable path to 1 million on TikTok. Here's how to do it. After finding winning products through organic testing, you amplify your reach by running targeted TikTok ads to cold audiences, then retarget interested viewers who didn't purchase initially. This creates a self-funding flywheel where each sale finances more advertising to drive even more sales. This combines TikTok Shop with paid advertising and retargeting for maximum results. It has the fastest speed to first dollar with same-day results, though the barrier to entry is highest since it does require an ad budget. Scalability is virtually unlimited. Automation is excellent, and you have full business ownership plus a complete business ecosystem for the long term. The daily potential ranges from $1,000 to $10,000 plus, with a monthly potential of $30,000 to $300,000 plus, meaning that it would only take 3 to 6 months to hit your first $1 million. This is the cheat code that most people overlook. While organic content is powerful, combining with strategic paid advertising, it accelerates everything. Start by testing products organically to find winners. Then once you identify a product generating consistent profit, reinvest that profit into TikTok ads to scale rapidly. Let me ask you, would you be willing to spend $100 today if it meant making $300 tomorrow? That's the power of this method. But remember, the real magic comes from creating a flywheel effect. Organic content builds credibility and test products, paid ads amplify winning products to new audiences, then retargeting captures interested viewers who didn't purchase. And each sale funds even more advertising. Once the system is working, you can literally scale to whatever revenue goal that you have. So now you understand why method number 1 is the fastest path to $1 million. But which of these methods is most suitable for your current situation? Let's continue to see which path makes the most sense for you. If you're starting with zero experience and limited budget, start with foundational organic strategy to build your initial following. Focus on creating content around products that you already use and believe in. This authenticates your videos and makes selling natural. Once you hit 1,000 followers, start doing live streams a few times weekly to then accelerate your growth. Then at 5,000 followers, immediately apply for the TikTok Shop affiliate and start earning commissions while you continue building. If you have some experience but limited capital, skip straight to TikTok Shop affiliate by either growing or purchasing an account with 5,000 plus followers. Focus on high commission products with strong visual appeal and clear problem-solving benefits. Then reinvest your commissions into purchasing your own inventory of these proven winners. Now, if you have capital to invest and you want maximum speed, go directly to the owned product model, either by growing or purchasing an account. Start with 3 to 5 products that meet my 2 criteria checklist. Does it solve a real problem that people care about? And does it have a clear wow factor that's easy to demonstrate? Implement automated fulfillment from day 1, so then you can focus on marketing rather than operations. Then as soon as you identify a winning product, start scaling with paid ads. And with that being said, let me walk you through a 90-day game plan that you can follow to start building real momentum step by step. No guesswork, just straight up execution. Step 1 is account setup, which takes days 1 through 7. Either grow or purchase a TikTok account with 5,000 plus followers, apply for TikTok Shop through the Seller Center, set up payment processing and shipping options, and then identify 3 to 5 initial products to test. Step 2 is product testing, which takes days 8 through 30. Create 5 to 10 videos for each product using my AIDA framework. Attention with a pattern interrupt that stops the scroll. Interest by presenting the problem that your product solves. Desire by demonstrating your product solving the problem. And action with a clear call to action to shop now. Then after following this framework, post content consistently, track sales data, and identify your winning product, one generating at least $100 a day in profit. Step 3 is content scaling, which takes days 31 through 60. Create 30 plus variations of videos for your winning product. Test different hooks, angles, and call to actions. Implement live streaming 2 to 3 times weekly. Set up automated fulfillment to handle increased volume, and create your first small ad campaign of at least $50 to $100 a day. Step 4 is ad scaling, which takes days 61 through 90. Increase ad budget by 20 to 30% every 2 to 3 days for profitable campaigns. Expand to complementary products to increase average order value. Implement email or SMS marketing to drive repeat purchases. Next, create product bundles to increase profit margins and reinvest 70% of profits into inventory and ad scaling. If you follow this plan step by step, you should be generating $30,000 to $50,000 monthly by day 90, putting you on track to hitting $1 million within 6 to 12 months. Now, let me be real with you. Doing this alone sounds empowering until you're about 3 weeks in, second guessing every move and watching others blow past you with half the effort. You'll waste hours researching what you should post, tweaking ads that aren't converting, or worse, burning through cash without knowing why it's not working. It's not just the time or money that you lose. It's the momentum, the confidence, the belief that you're even on the right path. That's what kills most businesses before they ever even get off the ground. But it doesn't have to be that way, because the shortcut already exists. If you're the kind of person who values speed, structure, and certainty, then my one-on-one mentorship was built for you. It's not just mentorship. It's a high-performance environment with expert guidance, proven systems, and real accountability. So instead of guessing what to do next, you'll execute with clarity and actually hit those goals that you've been writing down for months. So if that sounds like something that you want to be a part of, then make sure you go ahead and click on that link down in my description and apply for one of the limited spots available. So there you have it, the complete breakdown of every way to make money on TikTok, ranked from slowest to fastest. While the revenue flywheel is the clear winner for speed to 1 million, remember that the best method for you depends on your specific situation, resources, and goals. What I love about the TikTok ecosystem is that you can start wherever you are today and gradually progress through these methods as you build experience and capital. So now it's decision time. Are you gonna keep scrolling TikTok or finally use it to build something that actually sets you free? Drop a comment down below with the method that you're starting with, and I'll personally reply to help you dial it in. But remember, information without action is useless. The only thing standing between you and that $1 million business is your decision to start today. Your future self is either going to thank you for starting today or wish they had. So if you're leaning towards starting today, then make sure to meet me at this next video where I'm gonna show you exactly how to run TikTok ads step by step. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.